Amber Heard has claimed that she will be appealing the verdict against her in the last few weeks, based on various grounds such as unprecedented evidence, jury problems, etc. However, her biggest argument was that Johnny lost his suit in the UK against her. However, this has just been destroyed, possibly ruining her chances of appeal. So why is Amber Heard's claim wrong? What exactly happened in the UK suit? Keep watching to find out. Amber and her team have been claiming that the US trial was unfair since Johnny lost a very similar defamation suit against her in the UK. However, she was never a party to the suit in the first place. The case was Johnny Depp versus NG Newspapers, not Depp versus Heard. This was pointed out by a very exasperated Reddit user who wrote, "Seriously, why does she and her lawyers keep claiming victory in the UK trial? She was only a bystander to the trial. He sued the newspaper, not her, in the United Kingdom. When a tabloid referred to him as a wife-beater, he filed a libel suit against them. Was she present? Yes. Are we her attorneys? Yes, because she's famous or was famous, depending on how you look at it. Was Johnny Depp suing her in the UK? No, she was sued in the United States for character defamation or libel because it was written in the permanent record in the op-ed she wrote. She only won one case and lost one. So it would be fantastic if Ms. Heard and Elaine could step down from their ivory tower and stop this nonsense about how they won the UK trial. So what went down in the UK? Johnny Depp loses libel case over Sun wife-beater claim. Johnny Depp's libel suit against the Sun newspaper for calling him a wife-beater was dismissed. Mr. Depp's case was brought against News Group Newspapers, the Sun's publisher, and executive editor Dan Wootton in relation to an article published on the Sun's website on April 27, 2018. Mr. Depp, 57, filed a lawsuit against the newspaper after it claimed he assaulted his ex-wife Amber Heard, which he denies. According to the Sun, the article was correct. Mr. Justice Nichols stated that the Sun had demonstrated that what was in the article was substantially true. He discovered 12 of the 14 alleged incidents of domestic violence. Mr. Depp's lawyer called the decision perverse and stated that the Hollywood actor plans to appeal. The Sun, according to a spokesperson, has long advocated for domestic abuse victims and thanked Ms. Heard for her courage in giving evidence to the court. The trial was held at the Royal Courts of Justice in London for 16 days in July. The allegations of domestic violence were made between 2013 and 2016 when the couple divorced. The judge cited 3 instances in which Mr. Depp put Ms. Heard in fear for her life. Taking all of the evidence into account, Mr. Justice Nichols said, "I accept that she was the victim of sustained and multiple assaults by Mr. Depp in Australia. It is a sign of his rage that he admitted scrawling graffiti in blood from his injured finger, and then when that wasn't enough, dipping his badly injured finger in paint and continuing to write messages and other things," the judge said. "I believe her testimony about the nature of the assaults he committed against her. They had to be terrifying. People were quick to notice how Elaine and Heard had been claiming they won in the UK. One fan commented, "They are aware of this. They want the public to be perplexed. Not everyone watched the trial, and not everyone is aware of all the facts." Another fan said, "Elaine's bizarre. This is a story of 2 trials, and we won the trial in the UK. Statements were an attempt to save face. Desperate and dishonest. It's no surprise that she was shut down and her remaining media tour was canceled." One fan stated, "Correct me if I'm wrong, but I thought the Sun only had to prove they didn't invent the claims and were completely reckless in believing them to win. So Sun basically had to prove she made those claims, but the truth of the claims wasn't even addressed." On that, a fan replied, "All the Sun had to do was show that at the time the story was published, Amber's claims seemed more credible than not. Her charity fraud hadn't been exposed at the time, and the judge himself stated that he didn't believe the police when they said they saw nothing when they visited Amber." Another fan says, "Elaine and Amber are the specific pair who did the objection-leading race over and over again. Elaine prompts Amber, Amber rushes into the answering in the form of a convoluted sentence as quickly as she can. Camille launches objection, but Amber utters the single final word or the end of the word just as judge says sustained, so the jury and viewers all hear it. They will, of course, openly lie about the botched UK trial." One more stated that, "I couldn't agree with you more. AH was not even involved in the UK trial. She did not win anything. She didn't even have to be at court every day, but she stayed in the UK, got her hair and makeup done, and went to court because she wanted to be close to JD. She's a genuine psychopath." Do you think Amber still has a chance for an appeal? Let us know in the comments down below. Make sure to like and subscribe for more.